Okay, so this is going to be me showing how to make your physical drawings into digital drawings. So I use Adobe Illustrator for this. I know that there's a lot of programs that you can use to draw, but this one is considered like industry standard. Like if a company pays me, they always like ask for the PSDs. So I don't really know if you could even get paid if you're using like some of the other programs. So I just use this one because it is the one that people want you to use. It's the one that companies want you to use, and I'm used to it. So basically what I do is you can scan this if you want to be like more professional, but I just took a picture of this. It is a picture of a cake I drew, and then I went through with a black pen tool, brush tool, I don't know what it's called, and I traced over it, and then I went on a layer under it, and I'm just sampling the colors. You use like an eyedropper tool so you can get the exact color, and then I'm just coloring the flowers in with the exact color. I think that there are ways that people do this that look even better, but I don't know how to use Illustrator that much, so I hand draw all my stuff. But I know that I've seen tutorials where people are like using like shapes and stuff, but I am not that good, so I just hand draw everything. I also hand draw it with a mouse, which a lot of people tell me is like weird. I don't like use like a drawing tablet or anything. So there's my finished cake, and then I can just export it as a PNG and use it wherever. Okay.